namin ang Bini Rumblings. Very disciplined yan. So, sana this year, like, diba, smooth lang yung maging flow. And good luck, good luck. Kabati ko lang yung ano. Thank you, Bloom, sa pag-isip ng aga. Ang git ng payong talaga yun. Maraming salamat po. Mag-enjoy lang po tayo today. Huwag tayo mag-phone. Yes, kung 5 p.m. din kayo or 3 p.m. Sana matapos natin to, guys. I'm excited for everyone right now. Okay. Again, Blooms, our nation's
Bini Run. We're here at Muntinlupa. Pagsabihan mo yan Oh, Teres. Picture.
Samgyeopsal after ng Bini Jug, Bini Run.
Faster, let's go. Go.
Happy birthday to you.
Whose birthday is that?
Sa'yo nag-glow.
Hi, Mix. Hi, Mix. Bebe, pagod ka na?
Mika! Mika! Mika!
Mika, are you awake?
Yeah.
Yes.
She is not.
Kailan kaya? Sneak peek gano'n. Sorry guys, abangan ko natin sa Bini_PH on Instagram. Modelo pa. But of course guys, again, as we all know, as what Master Joe said earlier, this is part of the fitness journey for Bini First World Tour. Kaya naman, I know it's
Ano buhay di karera? Kamyan!
Give yourself a round of applause. Okay. Check, can you say, oh yeah? Can you say, ahoo? Parang hindi. Can you say, ahoo?
Hindi yata sila mag-float eh. Likod. Lapit. Pagod. Mix. 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 Pag niya katawagin. Hi. Mika. Ayun, si Mika. Hala. Mika. Hala.
Bakit ang hinhin?
Sila hindi daw yan.
Ako kuya, ako si Maloy, oh.
Si Maloy ka, si Maloy. Maloy nga.
Ay, si Ramika. Ay, wala manunulak sa amin, ah.
Grabe ka. Ang Maloy ka, nakita ko.
Maloy, nasobrahan.
Manoy pa.
Mika.
Sino?
Relax lang kasi, huwag kayo magtulakan.
Alright.
Mika, Mika, malapit na bahay namin dito.
Pepper kita.
Si!
Dandan lang.
Mika, dumagi ba? Mika, dumagi ba? Parang ako gigibaw.
Ang bilis. Para na lang. Hi ka naman sa live. Hi, live. Live. Yes. Hi. Saan nakatakbo rin kayo? Bahay tayo. Live na ka.
Yes.
Okay? Let's go po. Let's go po.
Good morning po.
Oh my God, Lord! Lord, nahanap ko na, Lord! Lord, yung mapapangasawa ko, Lord! Ayan sa harap ko, Lord! Lord!
Hi, John! Hi! Sorry.
Hi, this is Martin and this is me before the 5K MB run. OMG! Dali lang. This is Martin and this is me after the 5K run.
Hi, this is Pipoy and this is me before the Beanie 5km ride.
This is me after Beanie 5K.
Hi, I'm EJ. So ganito sa Kiss bago ang fun run ng Beanie.
Hi, this is Universe, and this is me before the 5K Beanie Run. I've only gotten 2 hours of sleep, so here we listen. And this is me after naging bakla ko ako.
Hi, this is Miggy, and this is me before 5km sa Beanie Run.
This is me after the Beanie 5K.
Hi, this is Alan and this is me before the Beanie 5K run pero nakapag-warm up na. Hi, this is Alan and this is me after the 5K Beanie run.
Hi guys, it's Nat. This is me before the 5km Beanie Run.
Hi, it's Nat. This is me after the 5K.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. Quinchana. Quinchana. Ding, 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 ding.
Anyways, decided na split na 4-4 para fair kasi sinabi sa amin na magkaibang daanan, like magkaibang way yung 3K and 5K para fair sa blue.
And also, one last question na lang.
Love you, Joanna. Hi, I love you so much. Love you.
Ay, hindi ako nakapag-trawa! Ay, hindi ako nakapag-trawa! Oh my God! Tao na nakakita!
Yes lang po.
Dito po. Joanna!
Dito, kanan mo na. Kanan mo.
Gwen! Gwen! Gwen, good luck! Gwen, I love you! Joanna, good luck! Ulit, good luck! Ulit! Ulit, good luck sa World Tour! Ulit, I love you! Congrats! Kailan mo pwede bigay?